Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Integrative School channel. I am Estefania Perez, and today I am going to talk to you about a very interesting topic for sugar substitutes. As a professional focused on intuitive eating, I have thoroughly researched this issue and want to share my knowledge with you in a close and accessible way. But before diving into the details, I want to remind you that health is a personal journey. So if you don't want to miss any of our videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any valuable tips. Now, let's get started. It is important to keep in mind that while sugar substitutes can be helpful and you may want to reduce your intake of refined sugar, it is not necessary to view sugar as the enemy. Learn to enjoy it in moderation if you wish. It is also important, if you wish to use sugar substitutes, to pay attention to how your body reacts to them. Do you feel that they satisfy your sweet cravings? Do they help maintain stable energy? Adjust your consumption accordingly. I tell you this because some people may experience digestive side effects when consuming certain sweeteners, such as erythritol or xylitol. Additionally, it is essential to consult with a health professional if you have specific concerns about sugar intake, especially if you have medical conditions such as diabetes. There are two types of sugar substitutes, one of natural origin and the other artificial. First of all, we can use any type of fruit to provide free sugar to our recipes, as long as they are crushed or blended, since this breaks the protective mesh and the sugar contained in the fruit becomes free. This will add a characteristic flavor from each fruit to your recipe, so depending on the fruit you use, you will achieve a lot of variety. For example, crushed grapes with water, banana that is added to many recipes, or mango, pear compote, or apple. That said, I will start by talking about stevia, which you may already know. Stevia is a natural sweetener derived from the stevia plant. It is much sweeter than sugar, so less is needed to achieve the same level of sweetness. Stevia has no calories and does not affect blood sugar levels. In its pure form, stevia contains no synthetic chemicals or additives. Let's look at some benefits and properties that can be derived from the consumption of stevia, which has a very low calorie content, making it a suitable option for people looking to control their calorie intake. It does not affect blood sugar levels as mentioned, since unlike refined sugar, erythritol does not have a significant impact on blood glucose levels. This makes it suitable for people with diabetes or those looking to control their sugar levels. It does not contribute to dental caries because it is not fermented by oral bacteria, which means it does not produce acids that harm the teeth. Therefore, it is less likely to cause cavities compared to sugar. It has a much greater sweetening power than sugar, which means that a much smaller amount is required to achieve the same level of sweetness. It contains several natural components called steviosides and ribodiosides, which give it its sweet flavor. Unlike some artificial sweeteners, stevia is stable at high temperatures, making it suitable for use in cooking and baking. Let's look at some uses of stevia in the kitchen. It is commonly used as a substitute for sugar in beverages and foods. It is available in powder, liquid, and tablet form, which makes it easy to use in different recipes and preparations. It can be added to tea, coffee, juices, and other beverages to provide sweetness without adding calories. It is also used in the preparation of desserts and baked goods. However, it is important to keep in mind that stevia does not have the same chemical properties as sugar, so it may affect the taste and texture of baked goods. It is also important to know that while stevia is considered safe for consumption in most people, there are some individuals who may experience mild side effects, such as a bitter aftertaste or gastrointestinal issues. Additionally, it is advisable to consult with a health professional before making significant changes to the diet, especially for individuals with specific health conditions. Now, let's discuss erythritol in detail. It is a sugar alcohol found in fruits and vegetables, therefore it is a natural sweetener. It has a very sweet taste and is used in many recipes as a substitute for sugar. Erythritol also has fewer calories than sugar and does not cause a significant increase in blood sugar levels. Let's learn more about its benefits and some of its properties. Like stevia, erythritol is also low in calories and provides sweetness without contributing many of them. It has approximately 0.2 calories per gram, making it an excellent option for those looking to reduce their caloric intake. It has a low glycemic index, so it does not significantly affect blood glucose levels, as it is absorbed in the small intestine but is excreted almost unchanged through urine. This makes it a suitable option for people who need to control their blood sugar levels, such as those with diabetes. Unlike sugar, erythritol also does not contribute to the formation of dental cavities. Studies have shown that erythritol is not fermented by oral bacteria, which reduces the risk of damaging dental enamel, similar to the case we mentioned earlier with stevia. In terms of sweetness, it has a sweet taste, approximately 70 to 80% of the sweetness of regular sugar. This allows it to be used in amounts similar to sugar in recipes, but with fewer calories. It dissolves easily in water and has a texture similar to sugar. This makes it easy to use in various liquid preparations, such as cold or hot beverages. It is also stable at high temperatures, so it does not break down or caramelize easily during baking. Additionally, it does not ferment due to yeasts, which can be beneficial in the production of fermented foods or those made with yeast. Now let's look at some uses in the kitchen and recipes. It is commonly used as a sweetener in foods and beverages, especially in sugar-free or low-calorie products. It can be used in the preparation of desserts, beverages, sauces, and other foods. Since it has properties similar to sugar, it is suitable for baking. It can also be used in making cakes, cookies, and other pastry recipes. It is important to note that although erythritol is considered safe for most people, some may experience gastrointestinal discomfort if consumed in excess. As always, it is advisable to consult a health professional before making significant changes to your diet. Dates are sweet dried fruits obtained from the date palm. They are valued for their naturally sweet flavor and have been used as a sweetener and source of energy in many cultures for centuries. There are more than 2,000 varieties of dates around the world, each with its own characteristics of flavor, texture, and color. Dates are consumed in various forms, from fresh and dried to being used as ingredients in baking recipes, smoothies, savory dishes, and sauces. Let's take a closer look at the properties and benefits of dates as a sugar substitute. Dates are naturally sweet. Due to their content of natural sugars, primarily glucose and fructose, they are a good source of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestion and satiety. They contain a variety of nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which are important for health, as well as antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which help combat damage from free radicals in the body. Dates provide a natural sweetness that can be used in baking and cooking instead of refined sugar. Unlike sugar, dates provide additional nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. In baking, they can help improve the texture and moisture of baked goods, acting as a binding agent. Due to the fiber and nutrients they contain, they may have a lesser impact on blood sugar levels compared to pure refined sugar. However, it is important to keep in mind that dates are naturally high in calories due to their sugar content. Therefore, they should be used in moderation, especially if you are looking to reduce calorie intake or control your blood sugar levels. Dates are a more nutritious and natural alternative to refined sugar, but it is still important to balance their consumption as part of a healthy and varied diet. Additionally, if you have dietary restrictions or specific needs, it is advisable to consult with a dietitian or nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet. In fourth place, we have honey, a natural product that has been used by humans for thousands of years. The collection of honey dates back to prehistoric times, with evidence of its consumption by hunters and gatherers. Bees produce honey from the nectar of flowers, which they store in hives and dehydrate, reducing its water content and making it more durable. Honey is known for its ability to not deteriorate. Imagine that jars of honey have been found in Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and are still edible. Honey varies in flavor, aroma, and color depending on the flowers from which it comes. This is called flowering and results in honeys with unique flavor profiles, such as acacia honey or lavender honey. Regarding the benefits that honey can provide within a diet and habits suitable for each person and its properties, honey is a source of quick energy due to its high content of natural sugars such as glucose and fructose. It has antibacterial and antioxidant properties thanks to compounds such as hydrogen peroxide and polyphenols. Home remedies are used to relieve cough and sore throat, as they can help soothe irritation. Raw honey contains small amounts of beneficial vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. It is also used in skincare products due to its moisturizing and softening properties. It is important to note that honey is not recommended for babies under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism, a disease caused by a toxin from a bacteria that attacks the body's nerves. Honey is a versatile ingredient in the kitchen that is used in a wide variety of dishes and culinary preparations. Now let's discuss some common uses of honey in cooking. You can add honey to your tea, coffee, lemonade, or smoothies to give them a touch of natural sweetness. Honey mixes well with vinaigrettes and salad dressings, balancing acidic flavors with its sweetness. Honey is used to make glazes for roasted meats, such as honey and mustard glazed ham. It can be used to marinate meats and poultry, adding flavor and caramelization during cooking. Honey is a common ingredient in the making of cakes, cookies, muffins, and other desserts. It is also drizzled over pancakes and waffles. It is a perfect topping for yogurt and is poured over cereals, adding sweetness and flavor. Honey can also be used in the making of homemade breads, adding moisture. Its subtle sweet flavor and versatility in the kitchen make it a valuable ingredient for both sweet and savory dishes, and its characteristic taste can enhance a wide range of culinary preparations. And so we finish our video for today. I encourage you to join our community and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Make sure to activate the notification bell, and I will be here to share my passion with you. So if you have any questions or ideas, leave them down below in a comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.